All right. We had another little rain last night or this morning. Um, Pretty good rain. I'd say about a barrel's worth, so about 50 gallons caught, whatever that means. Ground looks a lot darker brown. Let's see how this. I had the pole up here earlier, and it was going through it pretty good. We will see how our old shovel works. It's been really hard to get this shovel in here for the last few months, but yeah, it works a lot better. Ground is sort of wet. I mean, it's not super easy, but at least it's possible. Dig this up, poke it with the bar. I'll go down a little deeper, and then maybe trench this kind of. Dig, dig, dig. Move the dirt. Put the dirt back. And you got nice and soft up. Oh, it's cucumbers. I don't know what's going on with them. They were going great. It's kind of collapsed. I'm kind of peeking. Those leaves missing. I need to find that camera. Found the instructions for the camera, which was there. Not the camera. Got it like 3 years ago. But I will find that. I doubt anybody's coming up here and nibbling a couple leaves and leaving with no poop drop. The leaves dropped. A mystery. I don't know. I guess at this point in the year, I'm gonna hope I get some zucchini, make some zucchini cake, sweet peppers. Daughter likes those. Pickled radishes aren't that bad. A couple more cucumbers would be nice. Making some quick pickles, quickles. Little salad. Ooh, that one's nice. Hopefully these tomatoes will be growing in. Got a couple of different kinds. I got cherry tomatoes, beefsteak, maybe Roma. Okay, hopefully those will continue growing well. I like these rutabagas that come in. I like rutabaga. I got hold of one once, and it was pretty darn good. Cooks up like a mashed potatoes, mashed rutabagas. All right, it's raining again. I didn't get a chance to get out here yesterday. Hopefully, I won't start to get annoyed by the rain because we need the rain. Very important. Oh, that's good. This rain keeps up. I should be able to finish this by the end of the week. What is it? What's the Thursday? I should be able to finish this by the end of the middle of next week. And these clouds don't hurt either. It's not really that hot. It's pretty darn hot when the sun's up. Basil's perking up. This basil's perking up. I need. Those are little sunflowers. There's a sunflower in the front. I should put on there. These are. I planted 3. No, this is my wife's planting. 3 things in here. I can't remember. Oh yeah. Shasta daisy, zinnias, and marigolds. 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure which is which though. don't usually plant flowers. Look at this sunflower. Usually I grow. It's pretty easy to grow. And it had one big head on it. I thought I ordered the same kind of seeds. This one, I mean, it's big, but it's got a bunch of flowers on it. It's cool. But I don't know what was going on. I'm gonna stop planting seeds in cups. Seems like the soil gets compacted. A little compost. Sit. Don't look at that. Y'all are gonna be gifted with a whole video on compost coming up. Tell peppermint. Rabbit statue. This is my natural slope thing. Those are cool. We didn't see those in a different state, and then we moved here. They look like lamb's ear when they're short, but they go up super lamb's ear, short, whatever those are, tall. I'm hoping, oh, there's another one. I'm hoping some butterfly bush up there. Got some this cool thing everywhere, little rock plant, some hostas, weed that looks like what is that? Something with the Aleph. Short little plant. It has a little purple flower on top. Got something here. I don't know what it is, but a plant on it. Something there. Wildflowers. Plan was to put some plants up here to make it look nice and not have to weed whack it. Alright then.